Hello, in front of me I have Coros Apex Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. Let's start by opening the controls menu or shortcut menu. To do it, press and hold the back button until you see the menu on the screen. Once you open the menu, you can use the crown button by rotating it to scroll through this menu. Scroll through the menu, select the system option and then press the crown button to enter. Now scroll through the menu again by using the crown button, select the option called More Settings and press the crown button. And here you should see the language option, make sure it's selected and press the crown button. This will open the list of languages. You can scroll through it by using the crown button. As you can see, scroll through the menu, select the language you would like to use on your watch and then press the crown button and then press it again to confirm. As you can see, the language changed. I'm gonna quickly switch it back to English, like this. And once you're done changing the language, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.